Good morning. I'm Romulo P. Agnas Jr., an accredited competency assessor in shielded metal ARC welding NC1. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our tester representative, Mark Yapo Molina. You don't have to worry about his presence. He is here to oversee the conduct of competency assessment and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedures. He will not assess you. Before we proceed, may I inform you that we are being recorded throughout the CCTV camera for monitoring and quality assurance purposes. I have here you consent form, which means that we, including myself, agree to be recorded and to the other terms, including the sharing of your CCTV footage to authorized representative and identified in the form. Also, I have here for you application forms and self-assessment guides. These are proof that you are willing and ready to undergo the assessment. So, assessment is a process of collecting evidence and making judgment on whether competency has been achieved. The assessment process seeks to determine whether the candidate can perform to standard expect in the workplace based on the defined competency standard. So, tasks will be performed through a demonstration of skill and oral questioning inside this competency assessment center. So, qualification unit of competency to be assessed. You are being assessed under the qualification shielded metal ARC welding NC1. So, the unit of competency covered by this assessment is first is set up welding equipment. The element covered is set up welding machine, set up welding accessories, set up welding positioners, and fixtures. So the tasks to be performed, limits, and evidence to be collected. So the tasks include is preparing, installing the welding machine, connecting to independent power supply, settings correct welding polarity, DCN or DCEP or AC. So adjusting welding current according to job requirements, installing welding accessories, cable, electrolyte, holder, return clamp, connectors. Next is setting up positioners, switch, braces, and fixtures, observing occupational health and safety procedure. So the time limit is 8 hours. So evidence to be collected, demonstration of skills, oral questioning responses, verify output by supervisor. So next is assessment procedures. Assessment method include this is a demonstration with direct observation, oral questioning. So result of assessment is competent or not yet competent. So next is needs to be considering during assessment. So the religious practices is if there are any religious practices, you are need to observe, inform me so I can allow you to comply. About medications, if you need to take medications during assessment, inform me and you will be allowed. So allowable and reasonable adjustment. Reasonable adjustment such as a translating instruction to the vernacular may be provided. Competency standards are not compromised. In a religious practices, you need to observe and for me, so I can allow you to comply. Medication. If you need to take medication during assessment, and for me, and you will be allowed. Allowable and reasonable adjustment. Reasonable adjustment such as translating instructions to the vernacular may be provided. Competency standards are not compromised. Do's and don'ts inside the assessment center. So, don'ts: follow security policies, procedure, follow rules on use of the facilities, wear the complete PPE, observe safety rules. And don'ts: using cell phone during assessment, taking pictures, leaving the premises without informing the assessor, loitering inside the premises. So the right and appeal system: if you are not satisfied with the result of assessment, you may file a written appeal addressed to assessment center manager immediately after the assessment. So if you believe the assessment process was not properly followed, do not sign the rating sheet and you may file an appeal. So insurance and validity of NC or COC. If declared competent, you will be issued a national certificate or NC or certificate of competency or COC. The NC has validity of 5 years. For renewal, need to photocopy of NC with original presented certificate of employment related to the NC. Reassessment procedure: a candidate as not yet competent may apply for reassessment anytime at his or her convenience. Reassessment should focus only on the specific areas not satisfactorily achieved. Full assessment fee should apply. This concludes the orientation. If you have questions, you may ask now. If none, we will now proceed with assessment. So, thank you and good luck your assessment.